In this video today, we'll be making watermelon mango smoothie. This satisfying fruit smoothie recipe has only 4 ingredients for a quick and easy, healthy breakfast on the go. In here, I have my frozen preserved ripe mango, and on the screen will be written the benefits of mango and why you should always have mango added to your recipes. Next here, I have my frozen banana. It is necessary to use a frozen banana, but if you haven't any frozen banana and you're in a hurry to make this drink, then feel free to use the fresh one, but you have to add some ice. And next is my watermelon. This is very nutritious, and it's so helpful in losing weight and so satisfying. Also on the screen I will be putting it, and this is the seeded watermelon. The last but not the least I'm using is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I will be using 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and you can choose to reduce or add more to your own taste. So Greek yogurt is very helpful to our health, and also on the screen I will be adding the benefits. So I'm just going to combine all these ingredients in the blender and blend until it's totally smooth for easy consumption. This smoothie nutrition is heart healthy, low in calorie, diabetes appropriate, egg free, gluten free, low sodium, nut free, high calcium, soy free, and it is very good for bone health and to build healthy immunity, and also low sugar. Thank you for clicking on this video. To my returning subscriber, I appreciate you all so much, and if it's your first time coming across my video or my channel, please hit on the subscribe button, then click on the first notification bell. This will enable you get notified each time I upload a new video. To all my members, I appreciate you. Thank you for keeping supporting this channel and keep and if you haven't subscribed and you keep watching my video, thank you. And to you sharing my videos to your community, to other social media platforms, I appreciate you. May God reward you abundantly. And to my super chatters, God bless you. May God replenish your source of income. There is no water needed in this, so we're just gonna blend that to a very smooth drink. And if you watched to this very moment, I want to say a big thank you. So this is the end result. We have come to the end of this very video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and don't hesitate to give it a try because it tastes so nice. So until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.